Hey guys, Raim from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you Hive Caps and Hive Cups. So let's take a look at what they're used for. First up are these Hive Caps, which are an innovative hexagonal-shaped ink cap piece for tattooing that are easy to set up, stable and customizable. The intuitive design of the caps allows for a faster and simpler setup, allowing artists to simply grab, set down and go. These caps have been designed to easily snap together to expand a tattoo artist's colour palette and allow the artist to create a personalised customization of their setup, while making maximum use of space on their work surface. Now the design features don't just end there. Hive Caps are also reversible. Just flip them upside down and you'll find a smaller size ink cap. This is perfect for when you want to use less ink in your cap or snap together with the larger size cap. Another benefit of the design is the ability to stack the caps, which prevents tattoo ink from drying out during longer sessions. It also minimises the chance of contamination, making them perfect for using at a convention. Hive Caps also feature a measuring level line on the larger cap to help ensure reliable mixes from session to session. They are also more stable than standard ink caps and do not require the use of ointment to fix them to your work surface. Not only are they designed to improve the ease and efficiency of a tattoo artist's setup, they are also made to break away quickly for easy disposal. The next evolution for the caps was simple yet effective. These are deep Hive Caps, and as you can guess, they are deeper than standard caps and will hold more ink within. These are single-sided, unlike the regular Hive Caps, which allows them to hold more ink per cap than a number 16 ink cup. As with the standard Hive Caps, the deep versions feature a measuring level line to make sure that you will always get reliable mixes. You can also combine the deep caps with the standard reversible ones, like so. Next up are the Hive Cups, which allow artists to keep their tattoo cartridges from rolling around and drying out thanks to their included support lids. They can also be used to rinse the cartridges when tattooing. The lids of the cups feature 5 slots to keep your cartridges in place during your tattooing session. The cup itself can be filled with water, submerging the tips of the cartridges to keep the ink within from drying out. In addition, the slots are positioned to one side, which leaves enough room to use the cup as a rinse cup. Hive Cups are compatible with most standard cartridges, with the exception of some Shane Hall craft cartridges. Hive Caps and Deep Hive Caps are available in bags of 50 pieces, which is 200 caps, while Hive Cups come in a pack of 50 cups and 50 lids. Both are available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of Hive Caps and Hive Cups? Will you be trying them out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.